Nothing.
Okay. So we'll do this question now. You see that we have, he says find the first three terms in the ascending power of x. So in first three terms in the ascending power of x, you know that first term will be x raised power of 0, second will be x1, third will be x square, so we need to find out three terms here, first three terms actually. uh, First of all, I can write it down like 1 plus 8x, and it has a power of 1 over 4.
Yeah.
And then we have to, again, let's write down the formula. 1 plus ax raised to the power of n is 1 plus n into n minus 1. Uh-oh, I think uh, it is like n into ax, that is power
Then
of
it's
1 plus
yeah.
n into n minus 1 over 2 factorial into ax square, then n into n minus 1 n minus 2 over 3 factorial and ax whole cube, and so on. But here we just have to expand till x square. We need to find out the first three terms. Let's expand it. For example, first of all, I have to write down 1 as 1 plus I have 1 over 4 the power, then ax mean here we have 8x over 1 factorial, which will remain as 1, plus here we will write down 1 over 4, and here I will write down, say if this is n, here I have to write down n minus 1. Now what is n minus 1? So let's find it out. 1 over 4 minus 1, it is equal to minus 3 by 4. So that is why I need to write down minus 3 by 4 over here, and then I will write down 8x squared.
Over two
So these are the,
factorial.
yeah, divided by 2 factorial, exactly. So here we will have 1 plus 2x, and then obviously we should expand it. So it will be minus 3 over 4 times 4 is 16 into 2 factorial, mean 2 times 1, into 864x square. Did you understand this? That 16 into 2 into 1 that I have written?
Yeah.
You see that this 4 times 4 is 16, and then this 2 factorial I have written over there. So what we can do over here is quite simple. 16 ones are 16, 16 fours are 64, 2 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. So that is why we can have now 1 plus 2x minus 3 into 2 is minus 6x square. So this
Yeah.
is the
Minus 6x squared.
final answer. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's do another question like this. Even if this is a good question that we are going to do, it contains a negative sign, and we will learn that what if negative sign is there. We should not get confused. We should not cramp anything like uh, plus minus type thing that you learned in AS. Just to use this as it is. Again, at the top, I will write down the formula that 1 plus ax raised power of n is equal to 1 plus n into ax plus n into n minus 1 into ax square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into ax cube. I have to write down here 2 factorial, and here I will write down 3 factorial. Let's do it. It will be like this one. These are very simple type of questions. So first of all, you write down 1 as it is, plus the power, which is minus 3, and ax, which is negative 4x. Then again plus, don't write down negative over here. And now n is minus 3 and n minus 1 is minus 4. And then we have a negative 4x raised to the power of 2 divided by 2 factorial, and because we have to expand it till x cube, so one more term need to be written there. So this is n, this is n minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, then n minus 2, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 over, this is 3 factorial, and here we will have what, 4x, negative 4x actually. negative 4x whole cube. Don't forget to write down these negative signs and be careful when you expand them. So 1 plus 12x, then you know that minus 3 times minus 4, it will be equal to plus 12, and then negative 4 whole square will be 16x square, positive 16x square, and divided by 2 factorial. So 2 factorial is 2 times 1 plus, so this negative 3 into negative 4, positive 12 times negative 5, it is negative
Yeah. Yeah.
60 times, it has minus 4 whole cube, which is negative 64, and the x cube is x cube over 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. Very simple. We can do like this. So 1 plus 12x. Now we have 12 times 8 is equal to
96.
96 x square plus, because negative 60, sorry, it will become negative 30. No, negative 20 actually. So this is plus. When I will cut this negative 60, so it will become negative 20, and
Yeah.
this 2 will become
You get.
negative 32.
I think
So 30 times
it's
2 is 64.
six
It will
hundred
become,
forty.
yeah, 6 positive 640, right? And then this is x cube. So this is the answer as well.
Yeah,
1 plus
uh,
5x.
how is all of them positive?
It is because, just let me explain it to you. It is because you know that minus 60 times minus 64. So both of these are negative numbers. So that's why
Okay.
we get from here negative 20, and we here negative 32. So this is negative, this is negative. Both of them are negative, getting multiply to give you a positive number, positive 640.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so the next question is containing negative 1 over 3 power. Good. Okay, so x cube, we need to expand it till x cube. So 1 is 1 plus negative 1 over 3 is here, that is n into ax, which is 2x, plus it is n minus 1 over 3. So when you have minus 1 over 3 minus 1, it will become minus 4 by 3. So this is n minus 1. So n minus 1 to be written here, negative 4 by 3, and 2x square divided by 2 factorial. Then you see that we have to do n minus 2 as well, and so it will become negative 7 by 3. So we will write it down like this: negative 1 over 3 times negative 4 by 3 times negative 7 over 3 times 2x raised to the power of 3 over 3 factorial, like this. And then we will do it like 1 minus 2 over 3x. Then you see that what we will get over here, it will be negative 1 over 3, and negative 4 by 3 will become 4 over 9. So positive 4 over 9 actually. So 4 over 9 into 2 factorial, which is 2 into 1. And you know that this 1 and this 4, uh, it will become, yeah, 4, positive 4. And then we have this 2 square, which will also become positive 4x square. Plus, you see here we have negative 1, negative 4, negative 7. So it will become a negative 28, because there are 3 negative signs. And 1, 2, 3, 3 cube, which is 27. And then we have 3 factorial as well, which is 3 times 2 times 1. And then this 2 cube mean we have 8x cube as well in there. So What we can do from here, it's quite simple now. 1 minus 2 over 3x. So 2 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. So we have here plus 8 over 9 x square. Then 2 fours are 12. I think that's it. So what is negative 28 times 4? 56, 112. So it will be a negative number. Negative 112 x cube. And what is 27 times 3, which is 81. So we can also write it down like negative 112 over 81 x cube. You understand that?
Yeah.
So this is how we have to write this down.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Should I move to the next question as well?
Um.
All the questions are like that. Have you done the questions like where you get something like this, like 2 plus 3 x raised to the power of minus any power, like minus 1 over 3 minus 2, let's say something like that. Have you done questions like this?
No, not yet. We're gonna do that tomorrow in
So
our
we should
lesson.
do it now. So we should do it now so that you may be ahead of your class, huh?
Okay, but can we do the question I sent on?
Are these are those homework?
Yeah, but one gets there's a harder one question. Wait, let me send it.
Tell
Question
me.
9 and question 8.
Okay, have you sent the question
Wait,
number 8 and 9?
wait. I'm gonna send them again. I'm gonna send them again.
Okay.
8, 9, and 10 are pretty difficult.
Okay, 8, 9, and 10. Okay.
This 8, that's the I'm gonna send 9, and then this is 10.
So here it is that gives you answer in the form of this and this. So basically you have to find out, first you have to do expansion, and once you're done with the expansion, then you will put the value of x to get the answer. That's it, what you have to do. So let's do it. For example, here it is 1 minus square root of 1 minus 8x. It is like this: 1 minus 8x square root, and we have to find out exact value when x is equal to 1 over 100. So just wait a second, let me just confirm one thing. Okay, so I think that okay, let's do it. We have here 1 minus 8x and raised to the power of 1 over 2, right? So one thing to do this type of question it is that first you expand it, and once you will expand it up to that three, four terms you can say, then just put the value of x into it. Another way to do it is that we can put the first put the values and then expand it. But I think that it's good to use the formula. For example, if we do use this one, it will become 1 plus 1 over 2 the power then minus 8x over 1 factorial, which is 1, so we're not going to write it down, then plus 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 minus 1, that is this is n, and then n minus 1, which will be minus 1 over 2, and we will have minus 8x square, then plus we will have n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, which is 1 over 2, it is minus 1 over 2. So minus 1 over 2 minus 1 will, sorry, 1 over 2
Minus
minus 2
3 over 2.
will be minus 3 over 2, and we will have here 8 over x whole cube, and so on. We will not expand more than that. So therefore we will get what? 1 plus, not plus actually,
It's minus 4x.
minus 4x, and then we will have here negative 1 over 4 into 64 x square. You understand that?
Yeah.
And then we can have here plus, that there are three 2's in the denominator, which means we have and there are two negative signs, this and this, so both of these will become 3, positive 3 over 8 times 8 cube. 8 cube can be written as 8 times 8 times 8. Where written 8 over x? It is 8x. So into x cube. So something like that, huh? So now we just simplify it. 1 minus 4x minus 1 over, no, not 1 over. So it is 16x squared. So we should write it down here. 1 minus 16x squared. And then 1, 8 will cancel out. So 64 times 3 is equal to what? We can use the calculator as well. It is 192. So this is 192 over nothing, 192x cube. So here what we can do is we can put 1 over 100. So 1 over 100 is equal to basically 0.01. So let's put it in here. 1 minus 4 into 0.01 minus 16 into 0.01 square plus 192 into 0.01 cube, right?
Yeah.
Now you know that you can just put it into the calculator and you will be getting the answer.
You get um uh you will get 0.958592.
No, tell me up till three significant figures. 0.9,
0.959.
0.959. Okay.
So is that the answer?
Yeah, obviously. No, no, no. Sorry, wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. We were not supposed to give the answer in this form because question was
Yeah.
different. In the question, it says give the answer in the form of square root a over b. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So this is not. Okay, okay, okay. So we shouldn't have expanded at the first place. So let's do something. Let's try this one. 1 minus 8 into 0.01 with the square root over here, and we will get what? 1 minus 0.08, it like this, and then we can find it out like 0.02 square root like this, and we'll get what? 2 over 100 like this, and we can find it out like 2 over 10. So that is the answer. You
Okay, and
see?
then yeah, that's in the form that we want
Y-
as well.
yeah. So he said that write it down in the form of square root a over b. So this is the answer.
Oh, it says that's not the right answer.
Really? Wait a
Yeah.
second, let me check it out again. It says that write in the to be square root a over b. So can you do the calculation in the calculator? 1 minus 8 into 0.1 minus 0.08 is equal to 0.02? No. 1 minus 0.08 is equal to what? It is not 0.02. Can you please check it
But
out?
yeah, so root 1 minus 0.08 is root 23 over 5
No, no, no. Just tell me one. What is 1 minus 0.08?
is
9 point.
0.92.
Okay, 0.92. So you know that we can write it down like this: 92 over 100, and there is a square root. We can, you know that we can simplify them so that we can have here 46 over 50, right? And then further we can simplify them so that we can have
23
square
over
root
25.
23 over 25 here, and hence we will have 23 over 5. So this is the right answer. We'll say that a is equal to 23 and b is equal to 5 because he says
Yeah,
write down the answer in the form of square root a over b.
yeah, that's the right answer.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
Understand now?
Yeah.
That's lovely.